Artificial intelligence is not just about fancy tools, glittering large language models, GPUs, and all those stories about people getting richer by richer by the second. Artificial intelligence is based upon a very solid foundation which starts from machine learning and natural language understanding. This is a quick video to introduce you to a fabulous course which I believe is one of the best when it comes to natural language understanding or natural language processing. This course is from Stanford, which is of course world's leading university in United States. And this video is just an overview of this course. I will also drop the link to this course. This is free. You can do it today. You can go through it as per your own pace. Also, a huge credit to AWS Educate, who provide the cloud credits and computing support for student projects, and that is very generous and very um, aplombic of AWS. Really, really hats off to them. Now, there is also a GitHub repo of this course where you can find out the code for this course, also some of the notebooks and a lot of other stuff. So it's a full-blown course and you don't need anything else in order to get started in natural language processing. Also, if you go through the course outline and all that stuff, you will see that the teaching team is really very, very exquisite. For example, one of the leading professor is this Christopher Potts, who is a professor and chair of Department of Linguistics and professor of Department of Computer Science in Stanford University, of course. And his CV is really amazing. He did his BA in linguistics from New York University in 1999, and he did his PhD in from University of California in 2003. And then since then, he has been in academic employment, just very heavily involved in linguistics and all that computer science stuff. Okay, back to the course. Now, if I start going through this course, just to give you a synopsis of it, there are few parts as you can see which deals with domain adaptation, retrieval augmented, and behavioral evaluation analysis method. So let me give you a very quick summary of what exactly this course is about. It starts with detailing around the encoder and decoder parts of the transformer. So when we say encoder, it deals with bidirectional encoder representation from transformer, which is BERT. And then for the decoder, it goes through GPTs, which is the generative pre-trained transformers. Then it covers both classical sparse and modern dense BERT-based vectors for information retrieval. And then it moves on to using input-output assessment methods to behavior study and evaluate large language models. And then it proceeds to using structural techniques to study and evaluate language models, including probes, feature attribution, and intervention based methods. Also, it covers metrics and methods to assess and evaluate generative and discriminative AI models. So, other than that, it also covers a lot of small concepts which you often hear when you are running the inference of language models. If you're running summarization, classification, and that sort of natural language processing stuffs, this course will give you a solid foundation. So that's it, guys. I will drop the link to this course in video's description. Go through it and let me know what do you think. Thanks for watching.